Quick updates for Bittensor with my custom indicator set. And like you remember, guys, in many videos in 2024, I post, so yes, most likely we will come back and test this monthly gap. Firstly, we tested in March 2023, rebound, everybody's screaming, we go into the moon to the 1K and even higher. But after that, the Donald Trump wrecked all of us, and we just landed once again. Here was a perfect test, still penny. We touched that monthly gap, and after that we join in even inside. Is it okay? So this more than enough for correction? I guess yes. And like you can see here, why this level usually important, because here support, now it's playing out like rejection. So it's not random. Everything just based on a plan and the algorithm of market makers. A global plan, guys, I still believe we can hit approximately like 1K 154 if we will see the continuation of the hype around the AI sector and the market rally. Some positive news you can read on CryptoRanks. So Bittensor infrastructure developer general Tensor secures 5 million in strategic funding boost. So new liquidity, new money inflow, it's usually good for any tokens, of course. Now some impulses on the BTC just pushed the price almost to 74K, and I hope the spring, at least till sell in May and go away event, we'll see some rally. Spring, that's why if you bought at the bottom here around like 150, don't be so greedy and withdraw initial deposits at 30. So just withdraw initial deposits, sleep well, and forget about the token. Zero risk. Token go to zero, you absolutely don't care. Token go to the moon, you're just making money from the air, guys. So it's never a mistake. I still believe, so it's like impulse, sideways, chop. This is a time period where the big guys usually shake out the investors and accumulate the same times. And after that, we go higher. Maybe I'm not sure we're going to test the 1K 154. Definitely, I think we're going to sweep the new high, new all-time high. And maybe it will be the deviation. What will be next for Bittensor? It's hard to say in the next few years. I think if all the economy in the world collapse, I think the altcoins collapse even more, even harder. But what is good for Bittensor? By the way, today is almost all market is green. So finally, at least one green good day. So what is good for Bittensor? And one great example, guys, I highly recommend you just use my indicator set, because here you could track all that time period. It was just a noise. Only now, since January 2026, big guys start accumulate Bittensor. No main signal to a pump, but this is accumulation. So you could ignore all of that period and just wait in the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame I usually use for investment, right? For the spot position. Here it was accumulation on weekly time frame. September 23, we pump it from approximately 46 to 756, and now we in neutral zone, but being around the accumulation zone. So if we crash, of course, it's going to be the full fill. So if you don't think we start new rally, just wait the full fill. Full fill is around $90. Right? Let's check, guys, with other indicators and market mood. Also, great example, guys. Usually, just wait when we drop to capitulation zone. So this one, capitulation zone, we rebound from 235 to 485. Positive, aphrenia. This was aphrenia, positive, some optimism. Once again, capitulation is a great time to buy. If we talk about a spot and on a weekly time frame, guys. Trade on. What is good and what is bad? Buy, take profit, sell, buy back, bad. Moment we didn't see the signal take profit. Take profit from the sales. So if it's a range like this one, now we go over the equilibrium, for example, and form the deviation at the top and crash it down, definitely maybe we'll see here one more signal to sell and without a signal take profit. But if it's a range and it's just a cat bounce, it's a trap, around here, I guess we will see the signal take profit from the sales, and this will be the best option to buy. Of course, guys, it's hard to say. Nobody knows that future. Nobody will tell you where exactly will be the bottom, by timing, by price. It's just up to you. You take an action or not. Without a risk, we can't make money on the crypto market. So if you feel uncomfortable, just wait the 90. If tokens correct without you, just it's okay. Sometimes we can miss the rally, miss the tokens. The two last indicators is money power, what is good, and how it playing out in history. So here, this was a money in. We pumped it from 212 to money out, 674. Money in, some rebound. Money in 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row, money in, and we almost stay in the same level. Some money in was at the beginning of February. Now that pump without a new money inflow. So just be careful, guys. And of course, I don't like the pumps before the weekend. What is good? We traded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 or 6 weeks. We traded under fundamental value. Last time we bounced it from the fundamental value to take profit line in March 2025. Now take profit line is 479. So just in case, guys, if you bought around here, this will be once again zone where you need without initial deposit. Daily time frame here. Buy, the last one was February 12th. And from that buy, finally, we saw the signal take profit. If you bought around here, just an average, even an average, you could fix the 53. So with second leverage, it's around 100%. Pretty good, pretty solid trade, pretty solid profit. And take profit line is 267, 87, and the 323, it's exit line. Usually, we aren't these stop losses because take a look how many candles here, and every single candle over this candle is someone's stop loss. So I think it would be good to hunt the 325, and after that, maybe in summer, drop to the 200 like psychological level and go higher. So guys, write please in the comment, do you believe in Bittensor or it's over for this token? If you'd like to trade as my customer, because I will show it in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, Joe Maltekov Joe. See you next time, guys.